In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add meta tags to your Shopify store. Meta tags help improve your store's SEO and make it easier for search engines to understand and display your website in search results. So let's get started. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and click on Online Store. This section contains your theme settings and storefront customization options. Next, click on Themes. Now locate your active Shopify theme. Beside the theme, click the three dots menu and then select Edit Code. This will open the Shopify code editor where you can customize your theme files. Inside the code editor, look toward the left sidebar and open the layout folder. Now click on the file called theme.liquid. This file contains the main structure of your Shopify theme, including the head section where meta tags are usually added. Once the file opens, scroll through the code until you locate the is less than head is greater than tag. Directly below the opening head tag is where you should place your custom meta tag code. Now paste your meta tags carefully into this section. These meta tags may include SEO descriptions, keywords, verification tags, or social media metadata depending on your needs. If you notice outdated or duplicate meta tags already inside the file, remove them to avoid conflicts or SEO issues. After adding your new meta tags, review the code carefully to make sure everything is placed correctly. Finally, click Save in the top right corner of the code editor. Your Shopify store will now include the updated meta tags, helping improve search engine visibility and optimization. It may take some time for search engines to recognize the changes and update your listings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add meta tags to a Shopify store. Thanks for watching and goodbye.